company existing in Germany has been producing chemical products and tools used in the drilling process of oil wells for a long time. The main aims of the company are chemical products for drilling fluid, power transmission systems for oil fields, equipment for oil fields, restoration of oil field wells. Since 1989, the experts of Hero Company have been to Baku several times and conducted investigations on the Asferon Peninsula. According to the results by the experts of the company, the oil wells too often are out of order because of lacking modern technological installations. On one hand, the principal reason of it may be the non-qualitative installations such as belts, driving sheaves, pumps, rods, pipes. On the other hand, it is connected with the wrong assemblage of technical equipments in the oil wells. Experts believe all these lacking leads to stopping of oil wells, sufficient exceed of electric energy, decrease in the oil pump, too often repairs of oil wells, and cause to too much hard labor of oil workers in the long run. The result of this process is not economical from this point of view. For 4 years, the experts from Hero Company have started to operate these useless oil wells in the Asferon Peninsula. It has already been 2 years that the oil wells work regularly due to the correct work of various belts, drilling sheaves and technical equipment prepared by the company for those oil wells. Despite this work, various belts that were put into work could stand the resistance and never burn out. However, the probation period of those equipments is only 1 year. According to the experts, these belts can be used yet for 2 more years. Experiments prove that these products suggested by our company, both for offshore and on the continent in the oil wells, will result in the output of oil, duration of the oil fields, will give rise to coefficient of labor and make it economical and profitable when used in the oil wells. Those who desire and are interested in the use of these products may contact our company.